Hello everybody. Dito naman kami.
We're going to have our
Mag-breakfast kami
little
ngayon.
breakfast in the morning with my little Sunny bird. She like to climb with me. She like my bread. She like to eat a little bit of bread.
Bigyan naman kita ng pagkain
And
kanina.
she like to hang on every time while I'm eating
Kain ka ulit.
my little breakfast.
Kain ka ulit.
Bread from the start. And
Mami,
later on the
kakain pa.
fruits.
Huwag mo nang disturbuhin.
She like fruits. That's my little
Kain
Sunny
naman si
bird.
Mami.
She like to hang on every time to mommy. What I eat, she really so curious and find out what I eat.
Alaga kong
That
ito.
she is now. Once you give her a little piece of bread, and she calm down in my shoulder. Yeah. That she is. Kiss again. She kissed me again, and then she need more bread to eat. That she is. How sweet she is. That's my little Sunny bird. So cutie.
Yan yung gusto
Love
niya
her to hang on
kainin.
every time in the morning
Bread.
with my breakfast.
Napay
Little
lang.
bread breakfast. Yeah.
Napay lang
That's
gusto
my
mo?
little Sunny. My little sunshine in the morning.
What, babe?
Yes, she's gonna
Yes, mommy.
ask bread again and again. So that's why she give more kisses.